Have you ever considered this question: what exactly is our consciousness, and where does it come from? In the philosophical dualism, consciousness is often equated with the soul, a distinct entity separate from the body. Our bodies are limited by time and space. For example, we age, and we must open doors to enter rooms. In contrast, consciousness is unbound. Even in a brief moment of deep sleep, we can experience complex dreams, much like in Inception, where time slows down as the layers of the dream deepen. Therefore, in philosophy, consciousness and matter are considered the fundamental origins of the world. However, mainstream science posits that consciousness is a part of our body, a manifestation of brain function. As long as the brain remains unharmed, our consciousness is intact. Moreover, consciousness is not exclusive to humans. Animals and plants also possess their own forms of consciousness. Due to its abstract nature, empirical science has struggled to study it in traditional ways. An astonishing experiment from history yielded groundbreaking results. On February 2, 1966, polygraph expert Cleve Backster connected electrodes to a plant to test its bioelectrical signals. He had 5 participants draw lots, with one person drawing a card that instructed them to harm another plant nearby. After this individual cut the plant, the other participants walked by the experimental plant. Initially, there was no change in the plant's bioelectrical signals. However, when the person who harmed the plant approached, the display registered rapid fluctuations, as if the plant was startled and felt fear. This phenomenon is known as the famous Backster effect. Subsequent experiments conducted by others seem to confirm that plants possess consciousness and emotions. They can indeed understand our actions through their consciousness. Not only plants, but animals also have their own forms of consciousness. They can express emotions like joy, anger, sorrow, and happiness in response to events around them. For instance, in 2015, a gorilla named Coco was able to communicate with humans using over 1,000 signs, expressing her true thoughts and even warning humanity to protect the Earth before her passing. As a result, mainstream scientists have come to agree that both plants and animals possess mechanisms of consciousness that enable them to exhibit intentional behavior. Humans are not the only species with neural mechanisms that generate consciousness. Regarding the origins of consciousness, one viewpoint suggests it arises from the complex processing and interaction of information between brain neurons. Another viewpoint posits that consciousness may relate to quantum physics or other areas yet to be fully understood. Although there is currently no consensus on a scientific definition of consciousness, experiments indicate that any entity exhibiting behavior may possess consciousness. If this is the case, could it be that the universe itself also possesses consciousness?